Gentle removal. Blackheads. Safe skin-friendly pore care. Why gentle removal matters. Blackheads are common, but removing them aggressively can damage your skin. Many people squeeze too hard, use sharp tools incorrectly, or scrub excessively. This often leads to redness, broken capillaries, enlarged pores, and even scarring. Gentle blackhead removal focuses on patience and skin protection rather than force. Healthy skin should always be the priority. Step 1. Start with proper cleansing. The foundation of gentle blackhead removal is proper cleansing. A mild, non-stripping cleanser removes surface oil and dirt without weakening the skin barrier. Cleansing twice daily prepares the pores for deeper treatment. Clean skin responds better to extractions and reduces the risk of infection or irritation. Step 2. Steam to soften pores. Instead of applying pressure immediately, steam helps soften the buildup inside pores. Warm steam relaxes the skin and makes blackheads easier to release naturally. This step reduces the need for aggressive squeezing. However, steaming should be limited to a few minutes to avoid irritation, especially for sensitive skin types. Step 3. Controlled, light extraction. When it's time for extraction, gentle and controlled pressure is key. A sterilized extraction tool can be placed lightly around the clogged pore. If the blackhead does not release easily, it's better to stop rather than force it. Forcing extraction can damage the pore wall and cause inflammation. Step 4. Soothe and calm the skin. After removal, the skin needs calming care. Applying aloe vera gel or a fragrance-free soothing serum helps reduce temporary redness. A lightweight moisturizer restores hydration and strengthens the skin barrier. Gentle aftercare ensures pores remain clean without triggering more oil production. Maintaining clear pores the gentle way. Gentle removal is not a one-time solution, it's a consistent routine. Regular chemical exfoliation with mild ingredients like salicylic acid keeps pores clear over time. Weekly clay masks help absorb excess oil without overdrying the skin. With patience and balance, blackheads can be controlled without harsh methods. Final thoughts. Gentle blackhead removal protects your skin while delivering visible results. Instead of chasing instant perfection, focus on steady improvement and healthy habits. When you treat your skin with care, it responds with smoother texture, refined pores, and a natural glow.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.